Hey there, Dr. A here, and congrats. I see you signed up for one of my on-demand FTCE video courses or maybe one of my upcoming live online FTCE workshops. So, regardless of the situation, I'm sure you know how to log into the site already. You made a username and password when you registered, but I just want to do a quick video just in case you had questions on how to sign in and access your course. So if you're on the website, you see the website here on the screen here, all you have to do is click the big sign in button. And you can do this from smartphones, from tablets, from your computer, at home, wherever. But keep in mind that you can only log in at one place at a time. So you can't log in at school and then leave it in there and then log it at home or somewhere else. So it only allows you to access it from one point. So make sure when you're done to always log out. So when you click the login button, you have your username and password that you created before. So I'm just going to log into my little dummy account here. And you're going to put in your information that you created. All right, so when you get there, it's going to have your courses. So whatever course you signed up, it's going to be here. It's going to have the date when you can access it to, all that kind of good stuff. So just want to make a quick point that there is some other information on here that you will find very beneficial, not necessarily directed towards your specific FTCE, but education in general. I was able to create this in a way where I had some education news in here. So if you scroll down here, you're going to see a lot of news articles and blog articles here, or you can just click the daily news button here. And it's going to have some education stories. So there's a lot of interesting reading here. Some of the stuff for you to better yourself as an educator or a college student, but also things you can help with your students. So I just wanted to add some other information there. I think you guys are going to love some of those articles and find a lot of benefit out of that. There's an inbox here. If I message you, or you can message me through this platform, and I'll go straight to my account and my email as well. But your course is right here. So all you have to do is click the continue button. Pretty self-explanatory there. It's going to bring you to the course. You just click continue learning because you've already paid for the course. It's there. And here are your video modules. So depending on what course you have, it might look a little bit different. There might be more videos. There might be less videos. There might be quizzes. There might be assessments on there, like my essay subtest. You have to write an essay in here and upload it. So depending on your course, there's just different functionality. So make sure you go through all the modules here. There are some additional resources. There's a survey at the end to do to get your slides. But a couple things I wanted to point out to you. One is you can see all of the other teachers that are in this course with you at that time. So you can message people questions or things like that. But what I really wanted to point out is, and I'm really happy about this function, is even in the on-demand courses, meaning video recordings of me doing workshops, okay, you can click on the discuss button and you can answer questions that I pose in the videos. You can ask me questions. You can post questions for the good of the order for all the other teachers that are in here. And there's a lot of other fun. You could add polls. You could add pictures. Anything in here. So this actually turns in the on-demand video course option into an interactive real-time opportunity. So if you're watching this and you don't get something, or you want to answer a question that I pose in there, obviously it's a recording, but you can still do that in this box. And that will generate a message to other students in there, or especially me, and I can reply to you as well. So just another avenue for support. So don't think just because this is a recording, you can't ask questions. That's what I'm here for. My job is to make sure you pass on the first attempt. So all you have to do is click on the discuss, and you can do that. Once you do that, bam, it sends me a message, or anyone else in the course a message if you direct it to them. Right, so you see Vanessa here answered a question to one of the comments in there, so I can go ahead and reply. Lots of it works kind of like Facebook here, but it's only within this course. So real cool functionality there. So I just wanted to do this quick video just to point that out so you don't miss out on that. And also make sure you go through all the modules, because yes, there are videos, but there's also resources depending on your course, where I might add some links that teachers have used to find success with their test. Additional resources, most of them are usually free. Some of the stuff I might suggest there might be a fee for it, but it's just a compilation of ongoing resources that teachers have used to find success on the test. All right, so If you have any questions, you could always email me or call me or text me, or you could just message me right through the course here. So I'm always here for you. My name is Dr. A. You've got my email, so let me know how I can help you. So you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will be in touch. Have a good night. Bye.